Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I can't believe it. It's day 17, which means it's the 17th of March, St. Patrick's Day. So happy St. Patty's Day to you. Everyone's Irish today, I guess. I know I am actually Irish. Can't remember the percentage, but Irish, Welsh. But yeah, so I'm excited to be here on day 17. And I got this cute little paper clip from Mama's Budget and More. Got it in her little birthday box. So I'm going to just stick that right there so you can still see it. So we have our $8 for day 17. I'm going to set this here for a second. I've got my Too Cute to Pinch dashboard and prop money from Brittany over at Budgeting with a Ginger. Just mix these up a little bit. Set those there, and then let's put our $8 in our bank. We have finished challenges the past few days like crazy, so I don't anticipate anything today, but you never know. I said that the other day and we finished a bunch. So all right, my D3, we're going to start on number 3. Got my prop coins, give it one more mix, and we always cheer for rolling a 3 for 3. I don't know why, but that's, and we didn't get it, but that's all right. We're starting off with 2 on number 3. So how are you doing? How's everything going? Do you have any plans for St. Patty's Day? We do not. I have a doctor's appointment. Another procedure. Oh my gosh. Like I said, you know you're old when you have like doctor's appointments after doctor's appointments. All right, 7's getting 3 with the little owl. So cute. 2 for number 8. And then we're going to flip back to 1. 1's getting 3. Nice. 2 is getting 3. I would like 3 to get 3. And it did. Yay. 1, 2, and 3. And then, oops, I skipped 4 again. 4 is getting 2. 5 is getting 3. 1, 2, 3. So there's 1 left. So that's going to go on number 6, which means we will put our paper clip on number 7, and we will start there tomorrow. Some of you guys are having a really good streak. I think Beth is the one who's just finishing challenges left and right. I'm behind on Kimmy's daily videos, so I got to catch up with that. But all right, so you can see that. You can scoot this out of the way. All right, so number 1 got 75 cents, and this one is from Bookish Mama Budget. It's a happy day. So we did 2, crossed off 2 before. So we can do 3 more. So 1, 2, and 3 with the squeak. This one will save us $3. All right, and then number 2 got $1. That's awesome. And this one is from Tara at Lifted Up and Living, and I made a box there and a box there, so we could do $2. So we can fill out 4 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to do my made-up box down here for 4. And then that one will need 3 more, and then that one will be done. All right, number 3. Oh my goodness. 3 is the 50 cents. Stealer. All right, so we have $1.75 going into number 3. Oh, we just needed 2. We finished 1. Yay, and that was using orange. So this one is from Hey K Budgets. And this one saved us $3. So we have $1.25 we get to put into a new one. And I did stick some more in here. So what do we have back in the back? We'll do this one from Rainbow Budgets Co. And it's Nini Hawaii State Bird, and we have $1.25. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1.25. Love it. I love that we got to start a new one. And we finished one. All right, number 4. Oh my goodness. Number 4, they're slippery. I laminated them. Number 4 has 75 cents. And this one is from Jamie RN Budgets. So we can do 3 more circles. That'll save us $4. And then number 5. Okay. 50, 75, $1, and then $1.50. This one's from the Dramatic Panda. So we've got squad goals. So we can do $1.50. Let me get my yellow out. So close. One more left. And this will save us $3. All right, number 6 got $1. And that's exactly what we needed. This one is from the Cash and Coin Crew. I got it on their Ko-fi. So we can do 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one saved $3 as well. And that was all of that. So we'll put a new one in, but we can't add anything to it. So let's go to our... Oh, we have another one from Hey K Budgets, more pineapple. Since we finished that other one, might as well. This one will save us $2. Yep. I'll put this in here. All right, number 7. Looks like it got 75 cents. This one is from the traditional dollar. And I didn't want to cross off the lady, so I was putting smiley faces. So 25, 50, and 75. This one will save us $4. And then number 8 got 50 cents. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. And the cute little bear faces, I guess I have no problem crossing off. So we can do 25 and 50. So we have 50 more cents, and this one will save us $2. That's so exciting. We finished a couple. All right, so let's go here. Let's put our prop coins back. And then we need $6 from our bank. So 5 and 6. And I'm putting all of my money together in the completed envelope. And then we will randomize that at the end of the month with a left, right, center game. And I get to put 2 more in there. Yes. Day 17 was good. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day and an amazing week. And until next time, take care. Bye.